With our pre-built plugins for your other systems, you can easily translate your online store or app directly without the need to export any content by hand. Have a Shopify store you're looking to localize? Simply open the Shopify marketplace, find our plugin, and add it to your store. Then, hit the install button. After this, just synchronize your content to EasyTranslate. Now onto your dashboard. Open the library and start the automation workflow. Once everything is translated, you can easily sync back your content to your Shopify instance by hitting this button. You have now successfully translated your Shopify store. Enjoy a simpler localization flow with popular systems like Shopify, Magento, WordPress, and others. Check out the Integrations tab on your EasyTranslate dashboard or our knowledge base for more info.